Manitoba Home Builders Association presents Talk to the Experts. The role of a prime contractor. Working with subtrades.
Turning a room from this into this often involves hiring a prime contractor.
A prime contractor, or sometimes called a general contractor, is basically the company or the person that oversees the renovation project.
But they can't do it alone, and that's where subtrades come in.
Say a plumber, an electrician, an HVAC person, a flooring installation person, a painter, a drywaller, mutter, taper, boarder, like there's many.
The prime contractor is responsible for providing subtrades with details of the job, drawings if available, and holding regular toolbox meetings about practices and procedures, including safety. In turn, the subcontractor needs to be professional, show up on time, maintain a clean job site, follow building codes, and protect the customer's property.
And you want to treat that home, I know it sounds stereotypical, you want to treat that home as if it's your own, or even better.
A successful relationship is measured in timeliness, quality, and respect.
Did they follow your guidelines, suggestions, protocols, measures correctly? And if they did, you're going to get hired back. I mean, it's pretty simple, right?